Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdul from Tech 112. On this video guys of today, I've got something amazing and this topic is about Wi-Fi hotspot. Yeah, the sound, my neighbor. Yes, my neighbor, they're like, yeah, they're fixing the walls and stuff like that. Today on this video guys, I'll be breaking down on Wi-Fi hotspot. Many of you guys have been using mobile devices so as you can share the internet. But today on this topic, I'll be breaking down on the uses of hotspot. Some of you may know it, some of you may not know it, some of you may use it, some of you may not use it, but today I'm going to break it down. Well, we have routers, we have many kind of devices which supplies internet, but we are finding the best device which can give you a great spot of internet. Well, by using a mobile device may drain a lot of battery on daily and you'll be like shutting down, so you won't be liking that. But on this kind of stuff, I'll be breaking down on the Wi-Fi hotspot which I've been using. It's called Skyroam. I find it's kind of something which is very impressive. This is a Skyroam. Yeah, it's a tiny device which gives you a Wi-Fi. It distributes a Wi-Fi in a wide range. So I'll be getting the Wi-Fi through my house, whole house of it. Everybody can connect here, but there are only one device connecting since I was connecting on the device which I'm shooting the video of, and I just turned it off. So this kind of device, I find it's very worth it because it does uses a lot of power, but not that quite often of the power. And we can even check it out inside how many milliampere battery does it gives it to you. The milliampere battery it gives you 2,900 milliampere battery, which is great. It's just like a device, but it works specifically for giving you a Wi-Fi hotspot. Well, if you have a Wi-Fi hotspot using this kind of device, it's kind of great because it's quite different than a mobile hotspot. When you use a mobile hotspot guys, you drain a lot of battery, and not only battery, you won't get online, you can get calls, you can get texts from your friend and all that, which is something which is not quite great. I recommend you guys to check out this Skyroam. I'll leave a link down below so as you can go and check it out. So I find that this is kind of an amazing device which gives me hotspot. Let me press fast forward. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting about the Wi-Fi hotspot, it's quite amazing, and Wi-Fi are very amazing nowadays because they help us connecting through the Wi-Fi network through our homes, using on mobile devices and accessories and many more, and we find them they're very great out there. So I give a thumbs up for the Wi-Fi hotspot for Skyroam and other devices which are great, but you may use your smartphone. I don't say that don't use your smartphone using a Wi-Fi hotspot. You may use it, but you keep it on charge, on a dock of charge, which will be great because it won't drain that much battery. So thank you guys for watching, and I think you might know something about the Wi-Fi hotspot. You get a little bit of a clue about the Wi-Fi hotspot and how you can use it, and it's very great. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.